everybody likes to eat fruits, but very few of us know how to eat them properly. Many of us like to eat fruit with the meal, generally after the meal. So अभी आम का सीजन है, आम हम कैसे खाते हैं? या तो अमरस बना के आम को खाने के साथ खाते हैं, या फिर आम रोटी, और after the meal we like to have our mangoes. So it is better to have fruits in between meals, because when we are having fruits with the meal, the fruit gets fermented with the food and makes us bloated. Also it loses its nutrients with the food. So we should avoid eating fruits with our meals. Then generally what we do, we like to have fruit juices better than fruits. But it is always better to have a whole fruit than a juice. जब तक दांत है और हम चबा सकते हैं, हमें फल ही खाना चाहिए. Fruits till we can chew. And if we are sick, we are not able to chew, we can have fruit juices, because there is only calorie in the fruit juice, and the fruit juices are oxidized and their nutrients are lost. Then when we go for work, to our office or anywhere, we like to take the fruits in a tiffin box. We cut them and we take them with us. So it is advisable to have the fruits within 20 minutes of their cutting. Again, if we are not having fruits within 20 minutes, they lose their nutrients and they become acidic. So we should follow these rules. Nowadays we can see, anytime we can see in the supermarket lots of exotic fruits and imported fruits, and we want to have them all the time. But it is always advisable to have locally grown fruits and seasonal fruits. Fruits, they grow according to season and according to the area or climate. So similarly, we should also have fruits according to season and our local areas. They will give us more nutrition and keep us more healthy. We should not combine tea or coffee with fruits. When we combine fruits with tea or coffee, the fruits lose their iron content and their nutrition, and we do not get proper nutrition when we have tea and coffee with fruits. Also, we may feel acidic and bloated. Many of my friends and clients, they keep asking me, what is the right time then to have fruits? So the right time is early in the morning and in between meals. But it differs from people to people. Some people can digest fruits any time of the day and they can have it as they can, but not with their meal. Also, it is very necessary that we try to finish eating fruits before sunset, because our metabolism becomes slow after the sunset, and then again we may feel bloated and acidic as the food is not digested properly. People suffering from diabetes can have fruits, yes, but they should avoid having fruits with their meals. Many people ask me whether they can have mangoes or not. Mango is also a fruit like any other fruit, and it should be had like a snack, not with meals. Even a diabetic person can have a mango, but as a snack, as I said. When we have fruits empty stomach early in the morning, it detoxifies our body and also acts as an alkaline product. So it keeps us healthy and gives us a lot of nutrition. Eat right, eat light, stay happy, stay healthy.